Hey, what's up? Andre here with a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start earning $5 multiple times in PayPal money for free. So if you're brand new, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online videos, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge. So if you're brand new, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this video from. And if you want to make some PayPal money, in the comments as well, make sure you type the word PayPal. So there's going to be a PayPal video absolutely free. I'm going to share with you how you can earn $5 multiple times. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. Thank you so much for keep coming back and watching my videos because you guys support my channel and I appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you so much for coming. So let's dive into the video right away so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So once again, like, subscribe, become part of the gang. And this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I create videos once or every other day, and I make sure I put out nothing but the best content. So if I learned something, I just want to share it with you because I know what it's like when I was struggling and I try to find a way out. I decided I need to start looking elsewhere, and that's where I started looking online. So I know most of you are probably going through a lot right now. You're struggling. You're trying to find a way how you can make some fast cash. I totally understand. That's why I want to share this video with you, how you can earn $5 multiple times in PayPal money. So if this video doesn't connect with you or you think that it's not going to work for you, that's totally cool because I have a lot of other videos through here. So feel free to come through and scroll and see if you can find something that actually works for you. So let's jump in to the video and dive in right away because I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, because if you love money and if you want to use some money to do whatever you want to do and you got a PayPal account, this is the video that you need to watch. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called FAQs.com. And FAQs.com, if you have your phone, you got a smartphone, you can use your smartphone because I'm going to share with you where they have an application that you can download that you can use right away. I'm going to go into details and I'm going to outline everything so you do not miss out on the most important things that I need to talk about in this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. So what is FAQs? FAQs is basically, it's a website that they're looking for people, and they sell to brands. So tell your story brand, tell your brand story with your content, customized visual content. So this is a specific website which deals with photography or video. So if you want to use your phone or you want to use any form of device, but mainly if you got a phone, this is going to be working for you. So if you like to take a lot of pictures or you like to take a lot of videos, and it doesn't have to be high quality, as long as it looks good, as long as you're taking perfect shots, and as long as you're using whatever art or story inside of your creativity. So you got to be creative. And if you're not creative, go on Instagram, start checking out other people's videos and photos and influencers, and you can have an idea of exactly what you need to do. So it's a really cool website. They click, select, start marketing. So people come on here, they get their branded photos or their videos, and in 24 hours, they'll get it or start using the platforms. Right here, as you can see, people just create funny videos with their kids, with their loved ones. So if you have a lot of videos that you want to use in your phone, feel free. If you go out late at night and you take pictures of your drinks, I'm a person, if I have a cocktail or let's say a nice drink, when I go out eating, I like to take pictures. So I take a picture of it. You can use filter these days. The technologies on this phone, you don't have to be like a master and go and get like editing software and all that type of stuff. If you want to do that, feel free to do it. But you could start off by making $5 multiple times with PayPal using this. And I'm going to show you how it actually works. So if you want to learn more, all you got to do is just click on where it says the marketplace. So I'm going to dive into the marketplace so you can see exactly what it is. So here are some photos, pictures with horses, there's dog jumping in the water, there's random people going into a lake. There's a beautiful kid right here just taking pictures by the flowers. This over here, you could tell this person could be a mixologist or they just at home and just create something, and probably their wife or girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever took that photo. So these are things that you could take. Just take pictures. If you like to take pictures, you already have your phone. Start going through your phone, start taking pictures of random stuff. And here is a great idea of what they are looking for. So you got to start using your imagination, because people like random pictures and companies like pictures. Believe it or not, you will just take something and that company will be like, wow, this is the perfect picture that I want to use in my brand. I could tell, like, look at this. This is just a random, you could tell these guys are just jumping and they come up with something creativity. This person right here, they're just taking a picture with their dog. This guy at a cliff. I'm not saying you just go walk on a cliff, but look at this lovely girl right here just sitting down. There's a dog with a bow on it, building. So all different type of photos they're looking for. So if you look on here, these are the prices that they sell the pictures for. And I'm going to share with you how it actually works. This is not what you're going to be receiving. This is what the customers will come on here and buy the photos. So I'm going to share with you how you can make money with this thing. So if you want to, top right hand corner, you just click on sign up. You put your email address in, just fill out all the information, or you can just connect it with your Facebook and you can get started. So how it works, let's see, simple and efficient. And VOPE is a customized visual content platform powered by creatives and creative professionals. So people on here just want to explore with their creativity. They just want to start taking pictures. So just go out, start taking pictures of springtime, fall time, summertime, winter time. Start using your phones. If you got your phone, that's all you got to do. So once you come on here, this is for the creators, and creators, which is you. So sell your content, right? That's where we're going to dive in. So if you want to sell your content, click on here. So the FOPers, hey FOPers, buy FOP coins and unlock premium missions. So I will tell you all about the missions and how it actually works. So you could download the app, Time to Make Some Extra Money, with your videos and your photos. So if you got an Apple, click on where it says Apple. Then once you come over here in the Apple section, you're going to see the reviews. They have good reviews, a 4.5 rating out of 5. So people are using it. The app is fun, but needs a little bit of work. Of course, you're going to have some things in there, but people are actually using the app. There's people giving different reviews on it. You're going to have good reviews. You're going to have bad reviews. It's just like anything. So screenshot photos, people got their iPad. These are some of the things, $100 money reward. So people are getting paid using this app. And if you have an Android, if you click on Android, let me just click on it and just see what pops up. All right, pulling up slowly. So what's the rating on Android? It's a 3.8 on Android. People signed up a few days ago. The app was working fine, added a few new photos and no ratings at all anymore. So people are giving their honest reviews. And feel free to give your reviews as well. Don't just come on here and try it out and don't give your reviews. If it's working for you, it's working for you. Give good reviews. If it's not, then it's not. It's totally cool. Move on to the next thing. But it's working for a lot of people. They have 3.8 review over here out of 5, and they have a 4.5 over the good old Apple. So try it out for sure. So some of the frequently asked questions that people would like to know is, how does it work? Simply upload your photos, videos, photos, and start earning money. So it is a 50-50. So if they sell your picture on the platform for $10, you're going to earn $5. And I'm going to share with you how you can even make more money as well. I'm going to give you the 6 tips how to sell on FOP. So here are the 6 tips. Upload many photos. As you can see, make make it diverse, add relevant tags. So it's just like Instagram, how you would have tags on Instagram. You definitely want to start tagging. Start using tags so you can add 5 to 100 tags to each of your photos. So start tagging, because when the brands or other people are looking for photos to use it with commercials or infomercials, or they just using it for their Instagram, all the type of stuff, because people do buy photos to use on their Instagram, believe it or not. And you want to make sure that you start adding tags. So these are like 6 really cool hacks that I found. You get inspired, engage with the community, join the mission. So once you join missions, you have there's 3 types of missions on Folk. There's regular, there's video, and there's premium. So for the regular, usually there's only one winner, but sometimes the brand can buy up to 20 photos in a mission for $10 each. And an exclusive mission, you can get like $30 each per photo. So this is huge. Video currently, the main peak is the lowest competition level. So most people, if you're good at capturing videos, you can start banking on here, because videos these days works good. I know pictures are great, but videos, people like to watch a 3 or 5 or 10-second or 15-second video. They just like click on it. Notice if you're on Facebook or you go on Instagram, you see so many views, because people would rather watch a quick video than a video that is like half an hour or an hour long. It's just how the world works these days. And for the premium, there are 60 winners for this one. You can get rewards up to $2,000. So start putting up a lot of pictures out there. Start adding pictures. So the more pictures you add, the better chance you probably have of winning the premium. And to be a part of the premium, you definitely have to, let me click on here and show you active missions. So once you click on where it says active missions, there's new missions. There's spring walk with your dog, color Easter with Nivea, blue and green. So these are some of the things that you can get active. So you can start to upload pictures. So they're giving you some ideas. People are looking for ideas. So far, there's 657 photos uploaded. There's 2 days left. So don't be left out of these competitions. They're always having missions, and a mission meaning that you need to get engaged, connect, and you could start to make bank and start making more money. And I think this is where most of the brands and all the people go, because you want to be a part of the mission. So this is a great photo. This is, wow, this is a dog. Yeah, this is really unique. Someone took a picture over the dog and person standing in the background. So start getting creative, start thinking about some ideas. People are already uploading photos. Already, people are getting colorful with Nivea. Nivea is a huge brand. 1,238 photos. There's 4 days left. 1,091 photos already. Blue and green. So it's the time for the season. Look at this, Heineken. If you're a Heineken lover, even if you don't drink Heineken and you have a friend or someone, just pop a cold Heineken. If you're in some tropical island or on the beach or something, put a Heineken in the sand, take a picture of it, put it somewhere, or just be creative. 15 days left. So you'll see the different missions that they're posting, and you could be a part of it. And that's how you can make money, and you can start earning $5 multiple times over and over in PayPal money. So here are some of the questions people probably ask, and I'm going to show you the FAQ, the big one. So how do I get money? That's one of the big one. FOP uses PayPal, of course. As I said, free PayPal money. And you can start making money just by getting photos over and over again. Once you start putting up pictures, you can start making money. So some of the great questions: uploading a photo. And once you come on here, it will show you exactly, and it will explain the size of the photos is 1280 by 690 pixels. Let's see what they have over here. How to increase my selling chances. Here, you can come on here. Make sure to add appropriate caption and add as many tags as possible. As I mentioned before, uploading missions. Here you can, mission is for 10 or $60 each. So you get more money once you enter the mission. If you know, oftentimes that's where all the brands go and they start buying pictures, as I said before, they start buying photos. So once they sell it for 10, you get 5. If they sell it for 60, you get 30. So it's like a 50-50 split. So check it out. Lots of FAQ in here. And if you sell your photos, can you still use it? Absolutely. I've read that you can reuse it, but once it's on the default mission and a company buys it, then that's the end. So you just got to make sure if it's in the folk market, then yeah, you can always resell it. If you put it on the mission, because that's where the big boys are going to go buy, then I don't think you can resell it. But make sure you read all the information and very carefully before you start doing that. So I hope this video helped and how to start earning $5 multiple times in PayPal money for absolutely free. This is a great way that I found out, and this was a brand new video for you. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. You're looking for my number one recommendation of making money online. Make sure you check out the number one link in the description. And of course, you can get super rich by making $5 over and over again. So if you're looking for a better way, you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.